Curious is basically the business that's come about from a project and some research that Telecom Digital Ventures did to look at ways that we could create a business that would help New Zealand unlock the value from data, and it sort of emerged into something that is much more. Well, in our modern age, we're metering and measuring more and more about what we do, on social media, through telephones, smart meters. So I think, we're going to get more and more clearer views, more and more quantitative clearer views about how we as humans act and behave. And for example, public transport, they only know what happens with customers when they get on the public transport, but they don't know where the customer came from and where they went afterwards, and some of the patterns that might help provide a better service or reduce traffic. Traditionally, people have only really had a view of their customer within the constraints of the data that they've collected. If you provide a centralized platform for people to share data, then the visibility becomes much broader. If you look at some of the other vendors out there, they sort of tend to be a bit more siloed. We're really good at Hadoop, or we're really good at OLTP, or we're really good at RDBMS, what have you. Whereas I think, Pivotal's differentiator is really more around the fact that you can address all of those use cases in a single offering. They've changed the game on the commercial side of things, where you can store data and then process it when and if you need to, and only pay for it when you do that. What's been unique about Pivotal's platform as a service offering has been really the tight coupling of the three elements that we really wanted to focus on: the apps, the analytics, and the data. Also the flexibility within each of those dimensions as well, in order for us to meet the ever-changing needs of our customers and to innovate at the speed at which businesses need to. Platform as a service is kind of the necessary capability to allow developers to express themselves much more quickly and to monetize their ideas much more quickly. In terms of applications running on our platform, it'll be a combination of both our own developed applications servicing these use cases across sector and within sectors, as well as ecosystem-driven applications. We believe that the opportunity is more complete if we and the ecosystem are participating in this innovation, not just us. The way that the platform's been architected is very modular, so we can scale storage independently, we can scale compute independently, we can scale all the various products that we're creating, even the services we can scale and flex as required. So the whole idea is we want to follow the same cost formula that we are offering to our customers so that we can offer them the best price and the best service.